Hello traders, this is Orlando for Snipe the Trade, and today we are going to review our latest trade on the GBP yen. Now, before we get started, I'm going to tell you that this trade was a grind because it was a very choppy way to where we closed it, and we did get in a little early, but because we know how to position our stop losses and we position our stop losses like bosses, we didn't get stopped out. Now, I'm going to go to my terminal here on the downside, and as you can see, we have been killing it. We made a profit on the euro yen for $1,300. This GBP yen trade for $1,600. And if we are not making a profit, we are getting stopped out at break even, which means that we do not lose money. Well, we are not losing money. It might happen that we lose one trade here or one trade there, but whenever we can, we put our stop losses to break even, and if the market reverses on us, we don't lose any money. So this is the 4-hour chart on the GBP yen. I'm going to go to the hourly chart, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see what's going on here. Now, when we started, and when we got into this position, what we saw here was a great area of resistance around the 142 level, okay? We had marked the 143.12 level, 012 level, because this was a previous area of resistance. And if you can see, if we zoom in, you can see that we had tremendous resistance in this zone. So we were marking it, okay? And when price hit these levels that we were looking at right here, okay, we made this high, and I saw these two wicks, okay, these three candles, and this is a great rejection signal and reversal pattern. We have a bullish candle that rejected this area, then we have an indecision candle, and then we have a bearish candle, okay, with a rejection of the area. But for us to be able to get in on the trade, we needed to break this obstructor that we were trading in. We were making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we needed to break this previous low right here in order for us to get into this trade. And when we broke it, we got filled on this short position. Our stop loss was, let me go to the 4-hour chart because I want to show you where our stop loss was. Our stop loss was just about this week right here, okay? So we were risking about, right here. We were risking about 70 pips, okay, on this trade. And our ultimate targets were all the way down here for about 200 pips, okay? But let me tell you why we closed it early. So at first, the trade did not go into, did not went in our direction. And as you can see, we did move down for about 78 pips, okay? And price rallied to the 143 zone where it closed over the weekend. So we did maintain this trade open during the weekend. We opened with a huge gap to the downside for 90 ticks, and then we traded all the way down to the same area where buyers rejected or where buyers were found, okay? And as you can see right here, this is the main reason we closed our position, is because this is where price ticked down, and then buyers came in and pushed it up all the way to the 143 zone. So when we broke with this low at the 141.53, but sellers were unable to break this zone of support, we decided to get out on a let me see how much we made on a 76 pip win. And basically we made $1,600 on this trade. If you want to trade like me, or if you want to trade with me and profit like us, join us at www.snipertrade.com.